name is Kian, and I was doing my mom.
Hi.
I was waiting for my dad and my sister, and then I will go home. And this is my mother, mommy.
Hi.
And then I was here to go home.
I was here for vacation.
I was here for vacation,
And I love to swim.
and I love to swim. Look,
But the water is so cold.
but the water is so cold.
Oh,
I will fall down if I swim.
oh no.
But look down there.
So what can you say about this place? Do you like this place?
Yes,
Yeah? Are you gonna come back again here?
yes.
Yeah?
If I
Did you see a
grow,
lot of bugs here?
but there's ants over there. Dot dot dot.
Uh-oh, they're crawling. Okay.
Let's run.
Oh, where's your dad and ate? Where are they?
Gone?
It's gone. You've been waiting for so long?
Yeah,
You can't wait to go to the hotel?
but we can rock over there.
Uh-oh, right there. And where were you? This is a beautiful place. Yeah, look, we'll show them. And go back to
Hi.
pictures.
Hi guys, my name is Kian, and this is my mother, mommy. And then I was here, but these are the clouds, a lot of them.
See the clouds there. See the clouds. And then,
Everybody, go over there.
and see the kilikili. Doinks.
Go over there, guys. Go
Over there. You see that water? Kian swimming there. Good job, Kian. And where's Daddy and Ate now?
Over there
Over
and
there.
there. And they walk at the car, and they drive, and they go home.
You wanna look for them?
Yep, this is my mommy. And then we're going to the trail.
Careful. Watch out.
Just let them sit.
And then,
Hold on this way.
where are you going?
To sit. Huh? And this is to sit down. You have to wait.
That's nice. Can we sit here?
Yep.
Stay here and wait for them?
You have to sit with me.
Okay.
Guys, look at the tree. It's not creepy.
That's beautiful.
Now walk.
Where in the world are you going?
To Ate and Daddy.
But I don't know if if Ate and Daddy's there. I don't know where they go.
Oh, what's this? What's your face? Ate and Daddy.
We can stay here. Be careful. These things gonna fall. See? Don't wiggle them. Maybe we have to move it up to here so it will balance. Wait. Wait. Hold on. No. Move. Oh my God.
This is the X-Button.
Here. Ooh.
But this is the X-Button.
It means no diving. No diving.
No diving. And don't, and then this is cold.
Yeah, it's very cold.
And this is, where's this guy?
So there's just a splash of water.
Look at this tree. It's so huge. That's the way I can get. Come and sit. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Now it's a boo-boo. Let me see. Show on the camera. Oh no. It's okay. I have medicine. Okay, there's a lookout over there. Give it to me.
I'm doing lasso. Remember we do an ad video?
Mm-hmm.
We're waiting for a thing that thing.
Mm-hmm.
What's this?
They're coming. Don't jump. Careful.
What is this one is the clouds and this is all of them.
I can't
And
see
then
them.
I can't not see the home of our ray. We have to go home and get our car.
I think it's this way out. Yeah, because if you go that way, that's the cliff. I don't want to. Sorry.
It's okay.
Is it nice out there? I'm just going to check it out quickly.
So we have to go there. Because we have to go there.
You want to go? That's going home. This is where we're supposed to go. Down there. Because we have to get Daddy and Ate.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.